Good morning, everybody. Today, I will take the text from text, How Creatures Move. How Creatures Move. Page number 97 from your textbook. Yes, good morning, beta. Everybody, please. Good morning. Shankalan, Noreen, Priyanka, everybody, good morning. So, please open your book, textbook. Okay, beta. Shankalan, I have seen your photograph. Belated happy birthday, and I have, there also I have told you that happy birthday. Okay? Always stay blessed. Okay. Now, today I will teach you how creatures move from your textbook. Every creatures, the pronunciation is not creatures, creatures, please remember it. Creatures means any living being. So how creatures move? There, some creatures means all type of animals or living being. They are moving. How? Living being means animals, not that plants. Plants, we know that they cannot move, but living animals, that creatures move. All the animals are moving quality, moving also, that organs are different and they are moving also differently. So the lion walks on padded paws. The squirrel leaps from limb to limb, while flies can crawl straight up a wall, and seals can dive and swim. The worm he wriggles all around, the monkey swings by his tail, and the birds may hop upon the ground, spread their wings and sail. But boys and girls have much more fun. They leap and dance and walk and run. Actually, lion walks their padded paws. Padded means some soft. It's filled with soft things. Paws, you know that? Like hand, paws. They are walking. Squirrel leaps means jumps. They jump from here to there, limb to limb. While flies can crawl. Have you seen the flies? From sometime your food, that for house flies are there. Flies, they are crawling straight up to the wall. And seal can, all green. I think it is your problem, beta. That is, board is there green. And another thing, I don't know that. Rajana, you can once leave, then you will join. Okay. Shankalan, any problem is there? Only you can write yes or no. Okay. So, here flies can crawl straight up to the wall and seals can dive. Seals can dive. Dive means they are jumping to the water because they cannot walk. So, they are diving and swim. Dive and swim. Worms, eagles, W-I-G-G, that is also moving up and down. That means also all around. And monkey swings by the tail because it is swinging from one tree to another tree. Birds may hop up on the ground. Page number, Joydeep, I have written, beta, page number 97. Please look at the board. So, monkey swings by his tail and birds may hop, but they are flying. So moving organs are their wings. They are flying or they are sailing through the winds. Okay? And spread their wings and sail. But boys and girls, what happened? We are human being, no? So, we are human being. We are blessed. Already we are blessed. We can walk, we can jump. We can jump and so we are human being and we are blessed by the God. Only we are having qualities that we can join this. We can jump, we can walk. Only human being. That can be boy, that can be girl, that can be man, that can be woman. Okay? So that's why they are telling, but boys and girls have much more fun. They live, dance, walk and run. So, if you are having any meaning, okay, I'll write 2-3 meaning because most of the meanings you know that. So, number 1, WIGGLES, eagles, means move up and down. Number 2, padded. Padded means filled with soft things. Filled with soft things. Soft things. Number 3, limb, that is also moving organ. Crawl means also moving by this breast, okay, or moving by the ground. Dive means jumping to the water, jumping into the water. So I am not writing all these things, okay. So these are moving things. So we can go to the page number 98. Underline all the action words. I am telling that please do these things by your own. This is very easy. I am just telling it. Walks, lion walks, walks. Squirrel leaps, that leaps. Flies can crawl, so only crawl. Seals can dive, dive and swim. Worm, he wriggles. Wriggles, no, wiggles. WIGGLES. Monkey swings, so swings. Swings. Number 2, Priyanka, limb, if it is meaning is there, it is padded, P-A-D-D-E-D. Padded means filled with soft things. And monkey swings, birds may hop. So birds hop and spread their wings, only hop. Boys and girls, so leap, dance, walk and run. All these are moving words or action words. So, question number, this talk time, yes, Hongkolan, very good. And why do the boys and girls have most fun? So, we can write the questions. So, why do the boys and girls have most fun? So answer is there. Only we can write they instead of boys and girls. They have most fun because they can jump, dance, walk and run. So that is the answer. It's very easy. So please write this. Again I am telling, why do the boys and girls have most fun? They have most fun because they can jump, dance, walk and run. So that is the answer. Next, match the words in column A and column B. I will write, please You will match by your numbering. Okay, number. So number matching, you should do it. I think you have written the answer, so only I will write. Number 1, lions walk. Next, lion walks. Yes, repeat the answer, means answer is here. Please look at the answer and write, Priyanka. They have most fun because they can jump, dance, walk and run. So lion walks. Squirrel. Squirrels. Squirrels leaps. L-E-A-P-S. Number 3, flies. Crawl. Number 4, seals. Dive. Number 5, worms. Wriggle. Worms. W-O-R-M, worms. Wiggle. The next, monkeys swing. Monkeys swing. Birds hop. Please do the number matching. And one thing, I will give the homework. But please listen to my sentences. If you can do this. But if you cannot, you will open the recording of this and then you can write the sentences. Number 2, now make sentence of your own using the matching words. Example, the seals dive into the icy water. So we can write, lion walks into the forest. Lions walk into the forest. Here lions only walk. Lions walk into the forest. Squirrels. Squirrels leaps. Squirrel leaps from one roof to another roof. Okay? Squirrel leaps from one roof to another roof. Flies. Flies crawl. Flies crawl on our food. Okay, good, Noreen. Very good. Yes. So, squirrels leap, flies crawl on our food, on our delicious food, uncovered food. Seals dive into the water. They have already told. Worms eagle. Worms eagle on the wall or by the wall. Monkeys swing from one tree to another tree to search the food. Birds hop in our lawn to try, or birds hop in our green lawn. Only this much. Okay? So please try to do your own. If you are having any problem, please tell me. Again, one day I will do. Revision time, I will write the sentence. Arrange this movement. Number 3. Arrange this movement. Arrange this movement slow to fast. Obviously, slow to fast means crawl. C-R-A-W-L, crawl. Then next, walk, hop. Then we can write crawl after hop. Then walk. Then run. Then underline the letters which are silent in the following words. Number 4, silent. Walk. W-A-L-K. Here, only L is silent. Straight. I-G-H-T. Straight. H. The next. More. M-O-R-E. R. Obviously, R is silent. More. Caught. C-O-U-G-H-T. Here two words are caught, U and H, but H we can tell. Or U also we can tell. Next, come. C-A-L-M. L, come. Then talk. T-A-L-K, obviously L, talk. So these are the words. If you are having any problem, Priyanka, now also you cannot write the question number. Question's answer. Please write this. If you are having any problem, please tell me. Those who are in my class, Joydeep Banerjee, Jishnu Gupta, Linoy Shaha, Nasreen Sultana, Noreen Jaman, Ondrila Chatterjee, Priyanka Ghosh, Rajonna Hajra, Rajkishore Roy, Raunak Khetri, and Shankalan Chaudhary. Any problem, please tell me. Please tell me if you are having any problem. Okay. Okay, beta. Then, okay, I know that. Those who are present, please write P only. Okay, only P. No need to write. Okay, beta. Okay. Okay, bye.